and today we are going to be discussing some facts about 5 endangered species. So let's begin. Before starting, we need to know what endangered species mean. So an endangered species is a group of living things that are at a risk of dying out completely, and if nothing is done to protect them, they will be lost to the earth forever. That's so sad. But now, the first endangered species is the giant panda. So let's begin discussing the facts about the giant panda. So the first fact about these giant pandas are that they live in the temperate forests of the southwest in China. The second fact is that they eat around 26 till 84 pounds of bamboo every day. Wow, that's a lot of bamboo. The third fact is that they are excellent tree climbers, which is really interesting to hear because they have a very heavy and furry body, and they can still climb trees very excellently. So the fourth point is that they are adored and protected creatures. The fourth fact is that the causes of them being endangered are that they have difficulty in reproducing, they have poor bamboo diet, they have loss of habitat, and they have poachers that hunt them. And if you didn't know what poachers are the ones who hunt a creature. So that means they slaughter. So the second animal is the hawksbill sea turtle. So let's discuss some facts about it. The first fact about these sea turtles are that they are more than 2 feet long and they weigh about 15 pounds. The second fact is that they have a narrow pointed beak and they have a very beautiful shell, which you can see here. So the next point is that the females leave the sea at night and come on the beach. They choose a spot, dig their hole there, and then lay their eggs, and then they cover it up with sand and then return back to the sea. After 60 days, the babies come out and then return into the sea. The fourth point is that it is omnivorous. So that means that the hawksbill sea turtle can eat plants and meat, both. The fifth point that are the causes is that the causes of them being endangered are that humans are slaughtering them for their egg, meat, skin and shell. So because of these resources, the humans are totally killing them and making them endangered. How sad. Okay, the third endangered animal that is the blue whale. So let's start discussing facts about the blue whale. So the first fact about these blue whales are that they are the largest animal on the earth and they weigh about 200 tons and they are 80 till 100 feet long, which is a big size. The second fact about these blue whales are that they are the loudest animal on earth. That means that they are even more louder than a jet engine, which is very loud. The third fact about these blue whales are that they eat tiny animals called krill. Anyways, the fourth fact is that the causes of these blue whales being endangered are because of the climate change in the water. That means that people are throwing litter in the water and that is affecting the climate in the water, and that's climate changing and they are dying because of that. And illegal harvesting. Illegal harvesting means that they are catching the blue whales. Lots of people are catching blue whales for their meat and body parts. endangered species is the mountain gorilla. So let's discuss some facts about it. So the first fact about these mountain gorillas are they live high on mountains, about 8,000 till 13,000 feet high, which is very high. Wow. The second fact about these gorillas are that their DNA is 98.3% similar to humans. That means they also get emotions like we do, like happiness and sadness and anger. Third fact is that they are omnivorous animal, so they eat leaves, shoot, stamp, and even caterpillars. Now the fourth fact is that the causes of them being endangered are that they have loss of habitat because humans are taking their habitat down. They have a disease. They have human conflict, means that human fight with them, and poaching, which means human hunting with them. So the fifth and the last endangered animal that we're going to be discussing facts of is the snow leopard. So the first fact about these snow leopards are that they live in the cold, high mountains of Asia. The second fact about these leopards are that they are 2 till 5 feet long. The third fact about these snow leopards are that they are known as the king of the mountains. And the fourth fact about these snow leopards are that they have a very long tail that helps them balance and keeps protection of the wild. The fifth point is that the causes of them being endangered is that they have habitat loss. That means humans are taking their habitats over. They're chopping the trees, but anyways, they're taking over their habitat, and humans are hunting them. And the third point is, the third causes of them being endangered is the climate change. So it might be very hard for them to survive because they are, after all, snow leopards, so they can't survive in the hot. So up till now, we have discussed 5 endangered species: the giant panda, hawksbill sea turtle, blue whale, the mountain gorilla, and snow leopard. So now we know that we should not treat these animals very badly because they're endangered. And if some of you watching this video are hunters of these animals, then stop hunting. We may even kill these animals to their death, and they will be lost to the earth forever, and they may become extinct. Now you might be asking that what does extinct mean? I will discuss in the next video. Bye!